Okay, so this project was kind of interesting. I found it when trying to figure out how to embed all of the B-movie script into a QR code, which is very impossible, being as you have to split it up into 25 to get the max sized QR code to be able to do it. But so I ended up going with Steganography instead. So this project is OpenStego or Stegano by League. There are a few different projects by that name. One of them is a Python project, but this one's written in C++ using the ImageMagick library, and it's got a few files in it for doing it. And we're mostly going to focus on the encode and the decode ones because that's, what you're wanting to do. You're wanting to hide data inside of images. So this is the repo kind of cloned down, and I've got some images that I've worked with previously that, I was using otherwise. So we are going to work with it, and yeah. So you can hide all kinds of data into it. It seems text files, images, yes, images inside of images. So what we're going to do is we are going to start off with encoding data into something else. So, yeah, previous video. Okay, so we can look at what files we have. And I think what we want to do is, what do we start off with? Start off with making a data file, text file to put stuff in. And we're going to call it going to make some people, I think, happy. So then we do that. So what we do is we do /n code. Yeah, encode. File. And what we do is we give it our first image that we want to give it. So if we go to, should have copied that one over. Oh, that one. Those are simple ones. Okay. pigpack.jpg. And then we add our pig's data, and then we get our pig message.jpg as our output. So it'll run through, it'll open it, write it in, and then save it. So when we ls again, we've got our pig message.jpg. Let us double check. So we can double check the README as well. So yeah, encode file, decode. So encode is what you're going to use for image into image stuff. So, and then decode. So encode file for like specific other data, text, what have you, and then whatever it is without the file on it to do it. So we go encode, and then we take we're going to take our snowman file, and we will put our 2y5 file in there, and then we will secret snowman.jpg. Let me double check that. Public, private, output. Okay, so it looks like encode might have been too big that way around. So we will try it the other way around. Still same deal. I don't know. Okay, I would try, but I'm not feeling like fixing it right now. Anyway, let's try PNG just for fun. Nope. Okay, never mind. Not going to work. So we can decode our file. So we're going to go to one that I did previously. We're going to go no qrbs.png, and we will output to secret. Okay, so now we can go secret B, and here we have our encoded text inside of the file, and it will leave like this binary at the end in the process for some reason. But this is a huge file. I am not scrolling through that. We're going to do it with the other one. So again, decode file. And it was our pig message. It's in here somewhere, I thought. Oh, wait. Interesting. So apparently it doesn't work 100% of the time depending on how big it is. So let us check. Yeah. So it worked decently well with the B-movie script, but apparently I did something wrong in the process of the other one. So let's try. And then I don't know, something's up. Let me try get pull. I don't know. It worked fine for the B-movie, as you can tell. I'll go find something else maybe later on down the road. But this was an interesting library to come across, and it was kind of fun to mess with for 2 seconds. And yeah. If you enjoyed the video, then like, comment, subscribe, feed the algorithm, boost the video up, share this video with your friends. If you found it informative or you just want to chat, I've got plenty of places in the description, Discord, Guilded, and what have you. Check those out, and I will see you guys in the next one.